everyone, my name is Jeanette Phillips-Green. I'm the Head of Early Years from Scholars International Academy, Sharjah. If you would like more educational videos, please subscribe, and if you have any thoughts and suggestions, please leave them below. Thank you. I want to talk to you today about how we ensure that workshops for early years parents have impact and value. First of all, why should we have workshops for parents? It's really important that we work in collaboration with our parents. Why? After all, they are the first educators of our children. So it's important that we get to know the parents because they can tell us more about the children that we as practitioners are taking care of. So it's important that we have regular opportunities for parents to come and have workshops and learn about how they can support their children at home, how they support their children with their learning, how they support their children's play, and how they support their young child at school. It's really important that you plan your workshops carefully to meet the needs of the parents. And you might have different topics at the start of the year that you would have at the end of the year. For example, at the start of the year, it's really important to have a workshop with parents about relationships and settling the child into school. And most important of all is to tell the parents about the curriculum that the children are following, and so that the parents have plenty of opportunities to ask questions. At the end of the year, you might want to have a workshop about how to settle children into primary school, and because those important transitions from one part of a school to another, the parents can play a very important and strong role in helping their child transition. It's important that you share resources and ideas that the parent can use at home, ideas that don't cost too much money, ideas that they can, the things that they can use around the home or for when they go out to visit friends and family. I think it's very important that you also have your workshops in a classroom so the parents can see the resources that you use with young children, they see the layout of the classroom, and you give ideas of resources and toys and books, for example, the parents can buy to read at home with their children. So to summarise, workshops with early years parents are really important in setting up those important and valuable partnerships with parents. Secondly, it's important that you plan your workshops in advance, that you think about different times of year and what you want your parents to know. It's important that you share practical tips and things that parents and ideas that they can use at home and when they go out and visit family and friends. And finally, you should always have your workshop in a classroom so you can share the resources and toys and books, for example, that you use with the children that parents can go out and buy or look for at home. Thank you so much.